Every morning, millions of middle-class families wake up believing they're doing everything right. They follow routines, head to work, and manage their households with care. On the surface, life seems stable and predictable. Yet beneath this calm exterior, there's a subtle financial drift happening. It's a quiet movement that most people don't notice until years have passed. This scene sets the stage for our exploration into why financial progress feels elusive for so many, despite their best effort. Emily's work hard, earn their paychecks, spend what they need, and repeat the process. This cycle feels like stability, a routine that promises safety and predictability. But as time goes on, many realize that despite all their effort, they're not moving forward financially. The repetition masks a deeper issue, a lack of real progress. This scene highlights how the daily grind can create an illusion of security while quietly eroding financial potential. Beneath the surface, something quieter is happening, a slow financial drift. Most people don't notice this gradual shift until years have slipped by. It's not dramatic or obvious, but it's persistent. Over time, the gap between what families earn and what they keep widens. This scene introduces the concept of financial drift, setting up the deeper exploration of its causes and effects. Often begins with a raise, a promotion, a better job, or a little more income. This feels like progress, a reward for hard work. Families celebrate, feeling optimistic about their future. But soon the excitement fades as new expenses appear. The raise meant to improve life often gets absorbed by upgraded lifestyles. This scene shows how increased income can quickly vanish if habits don't change. With more income comes the temptation for a new car, a better apartment, or upgraded gadgets. These changes aren't driven by greed but by habit. It's easy to justify spending when life improves. But just like that, the extra money disappears. The finish line for financial freedom never gets closer, it simply moves further away. This scene illustrates how lifestyle inflation can undermine financial progress. The excitement of a raise fades quickly as expenses rise to match new income. Families find themselves back where they started despite earning more. The finish line for financial goals keeps moving further away. This scene emphasizes how raises can vanish without careful planning, leaving families stuck in the same place. Debt becomes a normal part of life for many families. Credit cards are used for emergencies, loans provide comfort, and buy now pay later options offer convenience. Each decision feels small in the moment, but together they form a silent burden. This scene explores how debt accumulates quietly, even when life appears stable. Credit cards are often used for emergencies, while loans provide comfort and flexibility. Buy now pay later schemes make purchases feel easy, but these tools, when used without caution, can create a cycle of debt. Families may not notice the growing burden until it becomes overwhelming. This scene highlights the hidden risks of common financial tools. Debt accumulates quietly, forming a silent burden that grows even when life looks fine on the outside. Families may feel comfortable, but the reality is different. Over time, debt limits choices and creates stress. This scene reveals the hidden impact of debt on financial well-being. In the cycle of earning and spending, something critical is missing: ownership. Many people work for money but never let money work for them. Income comes in and immediately leaves for expenses that don't return value. There are no assets, no systems, just movement without accumulation. This scene introduces the concept of ownership and its importance in financial progress. Money comes in, but it immediately leaves for expenses. Families rarely build assets or systems that help money grow. The cycle continues with little to show for years of hard work. This scene emphasizes the importance of retaining and growing income rather than simply spending. Families experience constant movement, earning, spending, repeating, but rarely accumulate wealth. The lack of assets means there's no foundation for future growth. This scene explores how movement without accumulation keeps families stuck, unable to progress financially. Picture two families earning the same income. One adjusts their lifestyle upward every time life improves, while the other keeps their lifestyle steady and quietly builds small assets over time. This scene sets up a comparison that will reveal the long-term impact of different financial choices. The first family adjusts their lifestyle upward with every improvement. New gadgets, better vacations, and upgraded homes become the norm. While this feels rewarding, it prevents real financial progress. This scene shows how lifestyle adjustments can keep families from building wealth. Second family keeps their lifestyle steady even as income grows. Instead of spending more, they quietly build small assets, savings, investments, and property. Over time, these assets create a foundation for financial security. This scene highlights the benefits of steady living and asset accumulation. 10 years later, the two families are no longer in the same reality. The family that built assets enjoys financial security and options while the other struggles to keep up. This scene illustrates the long-term impact of financial choices, showing how small decisions add up over time. The most dangerous part is that none of this feels wrong. Because everyone around you is doing the same thing, it feels normal, comfortable, and safe. But financial reality doesn't reward comfort, it rewards direction. This scene explores how social norms can reinforce unproductive financial habits. Comfort is appealing, but it can prevent progress. Families who follow the crowd may feel safe, but they miss opportunities for growth. Financial reality rewards those who make intentional choices, not just comfortable ones. This scene encourages viewers to question their habits and seek direction. Financial progress requires direction, not just comfort. Families who set goals and make deliberate choices move forward while others remain stagnant. This scene emphasizes the importance of having a clear financial direction. In the end, the real struggle isn't how to earn money, it's how to stop it from disappearing the moment it arrives. Families must learn to manage income, build assets, and avoid unnecessary expenses. This scene introduces the core challenge of financial stability. Most people only see the truth about their finances when time has already moved on without them. Years pass and the opportunity to build wealth slips away. This scene reflects on the importance of acting early and making intentional choices. Financial drift is the gradual movement away from financial goals caused by routine spending and lifestyle inflation. It's subtle, often unnoticed, but powerful. This scene defines the concept and explains why it's so common among middle-class families. Routine spending is the daily habit of using income for expenses without considering long-term impact. It feels normal, but it prevents wealth accumulation. This scene explores how routine spending contributes to financial drift. Lifestyle inflation occurs when families increase their spending as income rises. New purchases and upgrades become routine, making it hard to save or invest. This scene explains how lifestyle inflation keeps families from building wealth. Asset building is the process of accumulating resources that grow in value over time. Savings, investments, and property are examples. This scene highlights the importance of asset building for financial security. Savings and investments are key to financial progress. Families who prioritize these build a foundation for future growth. This scene explores practical ways to start saving and investing even with modest income. Owning property is a powerful way to build assets. Families who invest in real estate create long-term security and opportunities. This scene explains the benefits of property ownership and how it contributes to financial stability. Financial systems help families manage income, expenses, and investments. Simple tools like budgets and automatic savings can make a big difference. This scene introduces practical systems for financial growth. Budgeting is a fundamental tool for financial progress. It helps families track spending, set goals, and avoid unnecessary expenses. This scene explains how to create and stick to a budget. Automatic savings make it easier to build assets. By setting up regular transfers to savings accounts, families can accumulate wealth without thinking about it. This scene shows how automation can support financial goals. Avoiding unnecessary expenses is key to financial progress. Families who focus on needs rather than wants build stronger foundations. This scene offers tips for identifying and reducing wasteful spending. Financial education empowers families to make better decisions. Learning about money, investments, and budgeting creates opportunities for growth. This scene encourages viewers to seek knowledge and build skills. Seeking advice from financial experts can help families avoid common pitfalls. Professional guidance makes it easier to set goals and build assets. This scene highlights the value of expert advice. Tracking progress helps families stay motivated and focused. Regular reviews of income, expenses, and assets reveal patterns and opportunities. This scene explains how to monitor financial growth. Setting clear financial goals gives families direction. Goals create motivation and help prioritize spending and saving. This scene discusses how to set and achieve meaningful financial targets. Building positive financial habits is essential for long-term success. Small changes like saving regularly or avoiding impulse purchases add up over time. This scene explores how habits shape financial outcomes. Avoiding comparison with others helps families stay focused on their own goals. Social pressure can lead to unnecessary spending and lifestyle inflation. This scene encourages viewers to prioritize their own financial journey. Long-term thinking is crucial for financial success. Families who plan for the future make better decisions and build lasting wealth. This scene explains the benefits of looking beyond immediate needs. Celebrating progress keeps families motivated. Recognizing achievements, no matter how small, builds confidence and encourages continued effort. This scene shows the value of celebrating milestones. Setbacks are a normal part of the financial journey. Families who learn from mistakes and keep moving forward build resilience. This scene offers encouragement for overcoming challenges. Financial freedom is the ultimate goal. It means having choices, security, and peace of mind. Families who build assets and manage income achieve this freedom. This scene inspires viewers to pursue financial independence. Ownership transforms financial outcomes. Families who own assets, set goals, and build systems create lasting wealth. This scene emphasizes the power of ownership in achieving financial success. Breaking the cycle of earning and spending requires intentional action. Families must challenge habits, set goals, and build assets. This scene encourages viewers to take steps toward financial progress. Choosing direction over comfort is the key to financial progress. Families who make deliberate choices move forward while others remain stagnant. This scene inspires viewers to choose their own path. In summary, financial progress is not about earning more, it's about making intentional choices, building assets, and avoiding the drift that keeps families stuck. Reflecting on these lessons can help families break free from routine and pursue lasting wealth. This final scene encourages viewers to take action and build a brighter financial future.